Next problem is find the factor of cubic equation x cube minus 6x square minus 3x minus 104. Now solution. So given equation is x cube minus 6x square minus 3x minus 104 equal to 0. Now in this equation x replaced with y plus h, where we put h value such that y square coefficient will be 0. So if I put x value, we'll get y plus h whole cube minus 6 into y plus h whole square minus 3 into y plus h minus 104 equal to 0. So we'll get y cube plus 3h y square plus 3h square y plus h cube minus 6 into y square plus 2hy plus h square minus 3y minus 3h minus 104 equal to 0. So this will get us y cube plus y square coefficient is 3h minus 6 into y square plus y coefficient is 3h square. From here minus 6 into 2h, that is minus 12h, and from here we will get minus 3 into y plus constant term is h cube minus 6h square minus 3h minus 104 equal to 0. Here y square coefficient should be 0. That means 3h minus 6 should be 0. That means h value should be 2. So if I put h value 2, we'll get y cube plus this will be 0. We'll get this one is what? 3 into 2 square is what? 4 minus 12 into 2, 24 minus 3 into y plus h cube, that is 2 cube minus 6 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 minus 104 equal to 0. Now if I simplify, we'll get y cube minus this will get as 15y minus 126 equal to 0, where x is y plus h. So x value will get as y plus 2 because h value is 2. Now in this equation y cube minus 15y minus 126 equal to 0, if I put y equal to a plus b or y equal to a omega plus b omega square or y equal to a omega square plus b omega, where omega is what? Cube root of unity. That means omega cube equal to 1. If I do cube of this equation, we'll get y cube equal to a plus b whole cube. If I expand this one, we'll get a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So this will get us y cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, we can write as y. Similarly, if I do this one cube, we'll get y cube equal to a omega plus b omega square whole cube. We'll get y cube equal to a cube omega cube. Omega cube we can write as 1 plus b cube into omega power 6, that we can write as 1 plus 3ab omega cube, that is 1 into a omega plus b omega square. So a omega plus b omega square we can write as y. So we will get as y cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into y. Similarly, if I do this one cube, we will get y cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab y. From these three equations, if I do cube, we will get this equation. That means from this equation we will get three y values. One is a plus b, other is a omega plus b omega square, and other is a omega square plus b omega. If I put y cube value in this equation, we will get a cube plus b cube plus 3ab y minus 15y minus 126 equal to 0. From here we will get a cube plus b cube equal to 126 and 3ab equal to 15. That means ab equal to, we will get as 5. If I do cube, we'll get a cube into b cube equal to 125. If I assume two roots a cube and b cube, whose sum is a cube plus b cube is 126 and product is a cube into b cube equal to 125, we'll get a quadratic equation, that is t square minus 126t plus 125 equal to 0. Roots of this equation will get as a cube and b cube. So if we factorize, we'll get t minus 125 into t minus 1 equal to 0. So t value will get as 125 and t value is 1. That means a cube equal to will get as 125 and b cube equal to 1. So a value will get as what? 5 and b value will get as 1. So if we got a and b value, we can say y value is a plus b and y value is a omega plus b omega square and y equal to a omega square plus b omega. So if I put a and b value, we will get y equal to 5 plus 1, that is 6, and y equal to 5 omega plus omega square and y equal to 5 omega square plus omega. Now x is y plus 2. So from here we will get y equal to x minus 2. If I put y value, we will get x minus 2 equal to 6, x minus 2 equal to 5 omega plus omega square and x minus 2 equal to 5 omega square plus omega. So x value will get as 8, x equal to 2 plus 5 omega plus omega square and x value is what? 2 plus 5 omega square plus omega. Here omega and omega square is cube root of unity. So these are the roots of the cubic equation. So by this method we can factorize any cubic equation. Next problem is solve the equation x power 4 minus 2x cube minus 5x square plus 10x minus 3 equal to 0. Solution. So for solving this equation, we will add ax plus b whole square both side. We will get x power 4 minus 2x cube minus 5x square plus 10x minus 3 plus ax plus b whole square equal to ax plus b whole square. So if I expand this one, we will get x power 4 minus 2x cube minus 5x square plus 10x minus 3 plus a square x square plus 2abx plus b square equal to ax plus b whole square. Now we will get x power 4 minus 2x cube plus a square minus 5 into x square plus 2ab plus 10 into x plus b square minus 3 equal to ax plus b whole square. For some values of a and b, this equation must be a perfect square of quadratic equation. So we will get x power 4 minus 2x cube plus a square minus 5 into x square plus 2ab plus 10 into x plus b square minus 3 equal to px square plus qx plus r whole square. Now if I expand this one, we will get as p square into x power 4 plus q square into x square plus r square plus 2pq x cube plus 2qr x plus 2pr x square. This equation we can rewrite as p square x power 4 plus 2pq x cube plus q square plus 2pr into x square plus 2qrx plus r square. If I compare these two equations, we will get p square equal to 1, 2pq equal to minus 2, a square minus 5 equal to q square plus 2pr and 2ab plus 10 equal to, we will get 2qr and b square minus 3 equal to r square. So from here p value will get as minus 1 or p value is 1. For both we will get same answer. So if I take p value is 1, q value will get as minus 1. And a square minus 5 equal to q square, that is 1, plus 2 into p is what, 1 into r, that is 2r. Next is 2ab plus 10 equal to 2 into q into r, that is minus 2r. Next is b square minus 3 equal to r square. Okay, a square will get as 6 plus 2r. B square will get as r square plus 3. And AB will get as minus 10 minus 2r divided by 2. That will get as minus 5 minus r. Now if I square it, we will get a square into b square equal to minus 5 minus r whole square. If I put a square value, we will get as 2r plus 6. And b square value is r square plus 3. And if I square it, we will get as r square plus 10r plus 25. Again if I multiply this one, we will get as 2r cube plus 2r into 3, that is 6r, plus 6r square plus 6 into 3 is what, 18, equal to r square plus 10r plus 25. So if I simplify this one, we will get as 2r cube plus 6r plus 10r, that is minus 4r, plus 6r square plus r square, that is plus 5r square, plus 18 plus 25 will get as minus 7 equal to 0. Here if I put r value is minus 1, so we will get as 2 into minus 1 whole cube minus 4 into minus 1 plus 5 into minus 1 whole square minus 7. So if I simplify this one, we will get minus 2 plus 4 plus 5 minus 7. This will get as 0. So we can say this equation one root is minus 1. With respect to r value minus 1, we will get a square is 4, b square will get as 4, and ab will get as what, minus 5 minus of minus 1, that is minus 4. So here we will get a square equal to 4, b square is 4, and ab equal to minus 4. So you can say a value is 2 and b value is minus 2. And similarly, if a is minus 2, then b value is 2. So these two values are possible for r equal to minus 1. You can see these two equations are equal, and this equation we will get as px square plus qx plus r whole square. So we can say these two equations are equal. So we will get as px square plus qx plus r whole square equal to ax plus b whole square. So this we can write as what, p value is 1, q value is minus 1, and r value is minus 1. So we will get as x square minus x minus 1 whole square equal to a value is 2 and b value is minus 2, or a is minus 2 and b is 2. So we will get as 2x minus 2 whole square, where x square minus x minus 1 we will get as plus minus 2x minus 2. If I take plus 2, so we will get as x square minus x minus 1 equal to 2x minus 2, and if I take minus, we will get as x square minus x minus 1 equal to minus 2x plus 2. From here we will get x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So from here we will get x equals to minus of minus 3 plus minus root over b square, that is 9 minus 4, a is 1 and c is 1, 4 into 1 divided by 2 into a, that is 1. So x equal to we will get as 3 plus minus 9 minus 4 is root 5 divided by 2. So from here you will get two values, x is 3 plus root 5 by 2 and 3 minus root 5 by 2. From this equation we will get as x square plus x minus 3 equal to 0. So x value will get as minus 1 plus minus root over b square, that is 1 minus 4, a is 1 and c is minus 3 divided by 2 into a, that is 1. So x value will get as minus 1 plus minus root over 1 minus minus plus 4 into 3 is 12 divided by 2. So x value will get as minus 1 plus root 13 divided by 2, or x value is minus 1 minus root 13 divided by 2. This is the solution of the equation.